Hi, I'm Janellen, Sunday Meal Prep, and I've partnered with ButcherBox to bring you recipes with their amazing ingredients. So right now, I don't know if you've heard about the barbecue bundle, but with that bundle, new members would get 2 free sirloins, 6 burgers, and 5 pounds of chicken legs. So I've made mango chicken with the chicken legs. Would you like to see it? I think it's ready. Mangoes are in season right now, so it seemed a perfect time to make this. Look at that chicken. Now this is 2/3 of the chicken that comes in that bundle. So I still have some to do something else with, like grill or bake it or do a sheet pan supper. I have a lot of recipes for you, so no lack of recipes. I'm gonna garnish this with a little bit of fresh cilantro, and dinner is served.